And here comes the tractor.
Because Mike got stuck.
Because Mike got stuck.
We made it that far, though. We should get off it.
Yeah.
By you. Might be safer.
Like on that one video Liz and I were watching, Jeep got stuck.
Oh, okay.
And he was going to dig out the Jeep. Then they called AAA. AAA can't get to you dum-dums.
Yeah.
So then they went and got the landowner, and he came out with a tractor and pulled them out.
I'm not a smoker, eh? Look.
All right. I'll follow you.
Like you got a choice.
He's gonna take you that way. Quickie, eh? And if the tractor can't pull him out, then we're screwed.
Oh, if that tractor can't pull him out, then we're
in
done.
trouble.
That tractor's... This is the second time that tractor's pulled him out.
Yeah. But you bring back what is 4 out, right?
The last time it was Derek driving it.
Now I understand why he's so tired at the end of the day.
Yeah. Running through all this crap.
You're not stuck. No.
The Chev got stuck and the Ford got stuck. We don't have a Ford. Well, we do, but I'm not bringing it down here.
No, that's not.
It's not, and say we did.